Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows Update error code 0xc1900204. Let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it. Opens up registry editor, click on it. Click on yes. Now in registry you just need to go to H key local machine, expand it and expand the software folder and expand the Microsoft and expand the Windows folder. On Windows folder you just need to search for current version. Now you just need to check my video for file location guys, file path location. I will zoom in my video. After checking it, on right side you just need to double click on the program file dir, program files dir, double click on it and check my description for this value data used in my video guys. You just need to copy my description given value data, copy and paste it in, click OK. After doing it, go back. For changes take effect, you just need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, go ahead and update your Windows Update. Your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.